Hello, everybody, and welcome back to MarTech Tuesday. Today, we're going to talk about how to build your tech stack. How do you choose software? So, there are 7,040 software companies that dedicate everything they do to marketing. So, MarTech software is growing incredibly. This is the Chief MarTech Marketing Technology Landscape graphic from April 2019 showing 7,040 different softwares. So, of course, we have different types of software: advertising and promotions, content and experience, social and relationships, commerce and sales, data and management. How do you pick your tech stack, the software that's going to work for you and your company or your agency, from this sea of incredible craziness that we have here? So one of the many things that we do and that we did a long time ago, we used to just pick and choose whatever we wanted and we needed, is to pick a platform. And I think that picking a platform is the best thing you can do. For us, it was HubSpot because we wanted to have something that had a robust functionality and methodology behind it. So it was important for us that the software itself, the main platform software, was robust enough to be great by itself. And then what happened with HubSpot is it started growing as a huge platform, giving us incredible opportunities to add layers of value on top of what HubSpot can do on the marketing, sales, and service side of things. So I believe that number one should be picking your platform. Pick a platform that makes sense for you. If you're looking for marketing and sales, in this case, our choice is HubSpot for obvious reasons. HubSpot allows you to measure success, but also add all these layers of different things on your marketing, sales, and service efforts. Now, after picking a platform, even when we went from 7,000 different software to now 300, more than 300 software, how do you pick from this, right? So first of all, talk to other people, watch more videos like this one. We talk about software that we love all the time, but the main way to do this is testing software. You need to test it. You need to go and test Vidyard and Wistia and 23 and then decide if you like one versus the other one. So the testing side of software is very important. Go try things. Or if you're an agency, of course, if you're an agency, you should be trying testing software all the time. But if you work with an agency, you can ask them, have you tried this? Have you tried that? So if you're a company working with an agency, ask them what kind of software have they tried and why they picked what they picked. Of course, we have our tech stack and we promote that tech stack. At the same time, we use that tech stack to generate value for our customers. So that also differentiates us as an agency. But if you're a company, make sure you test software that this is part of what you do on the marketing and sales side of things, because it's going to differentiate your marketing efforts and it's going to increase the value of everything you do internally and with an agency. So picking your platform, number one. Number two is testing. But even so, when you're testing stuff, how do you choose the best one? Because sometimes the functionality is similar. Sometimes, the educational stuff is similar. So first of all, for us, number one, it should be how it integrates with our platform. We don't want to bring new software that doesn't integrate, because then if I choose a video platform that doesn't really integrate with HubSpot, then I don't have that video information inside HubSpot when I need it, or to segment, or to analyze if video is having an impact or not. Same thing with every single piece of software we choose for integration first. And integrations is not just like, yeah, it integrates. It's like, is it really a robust integration that brings the data into HubSpot so we can actually do things internally? So that is very important for us when we're picking software and after testing. Second thing is, of course, functionality. Is it really working? Does it do what they say it does? If it's called AI, is it really AI? Is it really adding a value layer on top of what we have in HubSpot? So adding value for us is important, and saving time is important. We're a very lean agency, and we're very proud of that. And the only way we can do that is to keep adding layers of value to save time, money for our customers, and generate more value over time. But I always say this, and this is the most important part. When we choose our partners, Of course, we develop partnerships with these companies, but we choose because of their people. Their people, of course, you can find educational, resources in all these companies, and that's going to be key. But their people is important to us because you're going to have to work with these people. You're going to have to go through support or settings or any kind of issues that you may have, and you want to work with people that aligns with you and your culture and how you run business. So you need to connect with the people at the software company. Make sure you talk to them. Make sure you schedule a meeting so you know who they are and see what kind of support level they have, if they have information that you can use on your own, if they have support depending on how much you're paying, if they have support that you can use for your company. This is our tech stack. We have a tech stack page, and you can see that we build not just great partnerships, but we're also using a lot of software. Among them, we have long-term partnerships like Wistia and 7sense and DataBox and Insightful and CallRail, but we keep growing and growing. We're using many more, much more software today that we were using a year ago or 2 years ago. Now we're testing, sales message for sending text messages from HubSpot. And again, that was a simple decision. We can use it with HubSpot. It has a good app. The integration is good. It sends the data inside HubSpot. I can use it for segmentation. Perfect. Let's try it. And we start trying it with ourselves, and then we send it to our customers. So first of all, platform. Is this going to work? Again, from 7,000 marketing software to 300, that helps you a lot because you keep it all in the platform. Is the platform going to support these things and be able to connect? Are the APIs there? So the platform is important. Then, of course, features and integration. But I think I would pick number one is the people that work at these software companies. If you have awesome people in these software companies, then you'll create great partnerships and you'll be able to add value to everything you're doing. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.